Hey Toolerinos, I got bamboozled by the shininess and the brass of one of these cheap knives. It's made in Pakistan, stainless. There you go. And you know, it looks nice, and it'll polish up and it'll look cool, I'm sure, but you know, it's not really a nice knife, but I will try to fix it up a bit. You see the shiny spot in there? That is where the tip of the blade right there is hitting when you close it. So it, you know, it goes in too far. This should have a little more metal on it, I guess. So we'll find a way to fix it up, make it work better, and polish it, do something with it, but I probably overpaid. So, but the reason I'm showing you this is because I needed a knife. Not a Crocodile Dundee knife, but this will do. My son told me when I came home, we got our first fan mail. I'm like, no, I was expecting this. From Resto Rob, he sent me something that I told him I liked in one of his videos. So a little tool exchange. I gotta come up with some Bonnie tools for him. Hard to do this on video. There we go. Let's see what's in here. Packing. Hey, I got some stickers. Got a couple Resto Robs. Cool. These are only my second stickers. I have 357 mag dead too. Let's see. He sent me the gem I was looking for. That's a rusty gem, alright. It's a very heavy truck tire bead breaker. I don't really have a use for it, but just the fact that it was from Ken Tool in Akron, Ohio, which is close to here, made me feel drawn to it, and we'll clean it up and make something interesting out of it, a wall hanger at least. And if I should need to beat on something really hard, this will take baby Thor and in stride, I'm sure. Thanks, Resto Rob. I'll get you something.
It's that time again, Toolerinos! You've dialed into the blast to the present!
That was pretty good. I think I like that. We'll go with that. Hey Toolerinos. Got a little kitchen gadget here that I wanted to show off. It's kind of a blast from the present because, you know, you can still buy things very similar to this today, but it's kind of old in its original design, and I did look and find an original patent for this type of device, so I will show you the patent. And now I will try to demonstrate. One thing is, this modern version, instead of clamping to the table, it has a rubber suction cup on the bottom. So you want to put a little bit of water on it, and that helps it keep the seal to make a good seal to make it hold in place. There, now it's set. Let's try to demonstrate how it works. This is a little lock. You push this, and then you can slide this back. And now the tricky bit. Put the bottom of the apple this way, and the tricky bit is lining up the core when you push it on. I find it's helpful to look this way as you push it on to try to keep it centered. Take off the stem. And then you can press the lock and push this up. Now, this is the peeler part. This is the core and slicer. There you go. It's not a perfect peel, depending on the size of the apple and how this is adjusted. Sometimes you get a better peel than other times. I have had apples peel where you get the entire peel off in one long string, but you can see here it's sliced in a spiral, which is fun and easy to eat. You just pop off a chunk and numb it up. Delicious. So, some of the features on this I'll point out here. So this here is the lock that allows you to disengage the screw. Here's the peeler, and you can see it has a little latch there that falls into place that you can disengage. So the peeler is working when it's left like that, but if you pull it all the way down and let that drop down, the peeler is disengaged, so you can just cut and slice, or core and slice, should I say. Or you can loosen this wing nut and rotate the core and slicer out of the way and just leave the peeler engaged, and then you can just use the peeler. I looked some of these up on Amazon or whatever, and they advertise that you can use it to peel potatoes and things like that. This wing nut here allows you to adjust the peeler blade in and out, which is important for the diameter of what you're peeling. If you're going to peel all bigger things or all smaller things, you want to adjust this blade to optimize your peel without it eating away too much material, to get all the skin, or to not get all the skin, like we saw in that last in that apple example. All right, kind of neat. Blast from the present, because you can still buy them, but it works the same as it did from a long time ago. Okay, bye.